Hey guys, welcome to the Eddie's outside part of the workshop here. I thought I'd share a tip with you for tipsblitz 19. This is a thing organized, I think, by Emmas Spareroomm Machineshop and somebody else whose name escapes me right now. I apologize for forgetting. It's a little tip that's served me pretty well over the years. It's nothing big, it's really simple, but it's something that if you do a lot of welding at home or in a small shop can save you from a few head burns. If you work anything like me, you don't weld every day. And you probably don't put, and you know who you are, you probably don't put your PPE on every time you weld. I was having a lot of problem with MIG welding where some of the positions I would get in, I would get spatter come up over the helmet and hit the top of my head and my neck and my ears. And part of that's the design of the helmet. It's a cheap helmet, and this is good for you home gamers who, you know, have some lesser expensive equipment and whatnot that don't have as much side protection and whatnot. So let me show you what it is. So normal helmet, except with the addition of this. All it is, I took a piece of denim and riveted it on around. It's always on the helmet. It protects the top of your head, the back of your head as well. And the really cool thing is, if you're laying on the ground, you can pull it to the side like that. It'll protect, and it'll protect your ears and part of your neck. Really nice if you're like I did under a car where I was fixing an exhaust. Just set that on the side, and you can lay sideways, and it works great. They make hats specifically for this purpose. It protects the top of your head and also has a long bill that goes down your neck. But this is nice because you don't ever have to worry about it. It's always on there. Just pick it up and throw it on. Other nice thing is that this allows a little bit of air to get inside, whereas a hat and that thing you just sweat constantly. This allows a little bit of air to get behind it. The other real nice thing about this, if you're working at a small shop like I do, is that when you hang your helmet up at night, or when it's just in storage, pull the flap forward. That protects your screen from stray sparks and whatnot from when you're grinding in the shop or just dust and debris, basically. And you just store it like that. Like I said, it's a really simple tip, but it's served me very well over the years. You know, as I get older, I got less and less hair up there, and I really don't want it burn off. One more quick thing before I go. If you didn't know about these, if you use cheater lenses, and I used to try to use cheater lenses, and I can't, the magnifier lenses, I can't stand them because they're always magnified. DeWalt and a couple other companies makes safety glasses that actually have, you can see them there, they actually have magnifiers built into them. Really nice. So anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed me sharing my the tip of my helmet. My helmet tip. That's better. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye. Do you approve? Do you approve? Thanks for watching, guys.